Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel creativegraphicz.com. And let's see what I brought for you guys today. Today we are going to make this realistic volumetric light effect using Filmora 12. This is a very simple effect, so let's see how to do it. Before getting started, please like this video, and do you want more like these tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's jump into Filmora and get started it. Okay guys, I already add my footage to the timeline. So first we need to change this video to black and white, because we need to find the highlighted areas on this video. So first I add an adjustment layer. Then go to the color tab, select basic, and decrease the saturation. Now go to the curves, select all colors, and change the graph, only visible the white area like this. Okay guys, now our videos look like this. So now we need to add light ray effect. Let's see how to do it. So go to the Effects tab, select New Blue FX, select Stylize, then select Zoom Blur Effect. Then add it to this adjustment layer. Okay, our effect looks like this. Now go to the effects settings. Then you can adjust the zoom amount you like. So I change it to 40 or something. Also you can adjust position and blend. So I keep both settings for default. Then you can change the light angle here, so change it to something like this. Okay guys, now we need to blend this adjustment layer with our original video. So change the adjustment layer blend mode to screen. So now we need to add some color grading to this. So I add another adjustment layer to the timeline. Then go to the Color tab, select Curves, and adjust the graph something like this. Okay guys, it looks perfect. So finally I add black bars to this video to get a cinematic look. So go to the Effects tab, search Cinema, then add this effect to this adjustment layer. Okay, now our video effect is done. So that's it guys. This is how to make realistic volumetric light effects using Filmora 12. So what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section, and please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next vid. Take care and peace.